Your wardrobes cover the major area of your designing. So whenever you're designing your bedroom, it's just not about designing your bed headboard or TV unit. It's about designing your wardrobe too. Make your wardrobe beautiful. ये देखो कितना boring लग रहा है. See this wardrobe. This is looking so boring. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a few design tips which is going to make your wardrobe door look beautiful, and also some important tips which you have to keep in mind that you should never do. Otherwise, it will ruin the look of your wardrobe. So सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्या नहीं करना है. सबसे पहला पॉइंट है अवॉइड यूजिंग हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस इन योर वार्डरोब. लाइक यू सी इन दिस इमेज, ये पहला लाइन, ये दूसरा लाइन, ये तीसरा लाइन यहाँ पे भी है, एंड देन यू हैव अनदर लाइन ओवर हियर. फॉर सम पीपल इट माइट फील अट्रैक्टिव, बट एक्चुअली व्हाट इट इज डूइंग, it is cutting down the height of your wardrobe. You should always try to add verticality whenever you're designing your wardrobe, not dividing your wardrobe into parts like you see in this image. Avoid using too contrasting color like you see in this image. इस तरह के colors, though it is going with the theme of your room, but try to go with monochrome. ये जो green आपने use किया है इसको tone down करो, या तो इस तरह के parts नहीं करो. Although it is adding verticality, but it is dividing your wardrobe into many parts. Vertical parts में कर रहा है, which is actually not a pleasing sight. Another point is avoid creating these kind of busy patterns on your wardrobe. इतनी मेहनत करके बनाया गया है ये, but actually it is not giving a very impactful look. Never create these kind of look in your wardrobe. बहुत मेहनत करके इसे भी बनाया गया है. एक पूरा प्लेन कलर लिया गया है, फिर ये दूसरा कलर किया गया है, फिर ये तीसरा कलर किया गया है. In this case, what is happening? By creating different lines of different color, you are actually creating border around your wardrobe. Now this is going to set boundary for your wardrobe and it is going to look very busy. ये बहुत better लगता अगर आप पूरे को एक कलर से पेंट कर देते. See this wardrobe. इसमें आप देख रहे हो दो डिफरेंट कलर का मटेरियल यूज किया गया है, बट इट इज नॉट डिवाइडिंग योर wardrobe लाइक दिस. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता तो इट वुड हैव लुक वेरी बैड, बट इन दिस केस इट इज लुकिंग फाइन. ये देखने में ठीक है, टोन भी आपस में कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग नहीं है. These are looking fine, but one mistake I can see over here is you see a dressing table over here, so try to align the groove of the wardrobe with the dressing table. Also, when you're using two different material या similar material and there is a joint, just don't joint like this कि आपने आगे ऊपर नीचे joint कर दिया है. यहाँ पे either use U channel or T putty or metal strip, any kind of metal strip. It is definitely going to increase the beauty of your wardrobe. Now let's see how you can make your wardrobe look beautiful. Consider this wardrobe, a very simple wardrobe. Finishing wooden finish laminate लगाया हुआ है और बिल्कुल plain तरीके से आपने इसको follow किया है. इसको monotony को break करने के लिए you have added a display over here and also you have used metal accent. See, if you want to add luxury in your wardrobe, never forget to add metal accents. Metal accents uplifts the look of your wardrobe in no time. So you can use metal accent like this, or you can use metal handles, or you can use metal strips. Considering the design of your wardrobe, do whatever. But if you want to add luxury in no time without spending so much amount of money, then metal accent can be one option. Like you see in this wardrobe, consider it as a metal accent. Although it is a PU wardrobe, but you can make it from acrylic. ये आपने plain acrylic use कर दिया, ये fluted acrylic use कर लिया, और जहाँ पे भी junction आया यहाँ पे आपने metal strip use कर लिया. You have to be very subtle while choosing the metal strip. It should not be very loud. This is another example for your laminated wardrobe. ये पूरा का पूरा एक wardrobe है. अब क्योंकि 8 फीट का शीट आता है तो there is a joint. Now in this case what is happening? ये जैसे joint यहाँ पे आया है, to maintain the symmetry, they have added another joint over here. Now it is looking fine, and now because there was a continuous पूरा का पूरा ये wall wardrobe पे था, इसको break करने के लिए they have used one solid wardrobe over here, one solid wardrobe over here, and one glass wardrobe to break the monotony of your wardrobe. Now because of this is adding visual interest on this wall. So this is making it look better. Now if you are skeptical about using the clear glass, then you can opt for tinted black, bronze, or you can also opt for fluted glass wardrobe to avoid the visibility. You see this example? इसमें आपका ये HDHMR के पैनल में ये आपने V groove किया हुआ है और इसमें आपने deliberately अपना मिरर डिजाइन किया हुआ है यहाँ पे. In this case आपका हैंडल यहाँ पे है, like you can see. Now your hands are less likely to touch this mirror area, so it is going to be very functional. So these are the few examples that you can create. They are endless design. If you stick to the basic principles, your wardrobe will definitely come out beautiful.